Typical installation time for a beginner to finish vinyl plank flooring in a small bathroom is about a full day when you include preparation and cleanup. For a standard guest bathroom, you should budget 2 to 4 hours just for laying the planks, assuming the subfloor is flat and no major obstacles exist. Start by removing fixtures and baseboards and cleaning and drying the subfloor. Allow several hours for removal and cleanup if you are starting from an older floor. Measure carefully and plan plank layouts so you minimize narrow edge cuts near walls, and use a chalk line to keep rows straight. Measuring and pre-cutting the first and last rows saves time while reducing mistakes. Use a tapping block and pull bar to seat joints tightly, and check each seam as you go to prevent gaps that can trap moisture. When you reach pipe collars or complex shapes, take precise templates from cardboard and transfer them to the plank before cutting to avoid repeated trial cuts. If you are using a click-lock product, work from the longest straight wall and maintain an expansion gap of the manufacturer recommended width around the perimeter. If using an adhesive product, follow the adhesive open time and press planks down firmly with a roller. Common mistakes are cutting planks too short because of poor measurement, which you avoid by measuring twice in dry-fitting pieces before cutting. Another frequent issue is ignoring subfloor flatness and moisture, which causes squeaks or loose joints. Solve that by testing with a straight edge, sanding high spots, filling low spots with a floor leveler, and using a moisture test appropriate for your subfloor material. A third problem is rushing without breaks, leading to misaligned rows or wasted material. Plan for scheduled short breaks, maintain focused work blocks, and keep extra planks on hand for mistakes. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides project planning resources that align with flooring timelines and contractor availability. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange tips, ask questions, and share real-world experiences about installing vinyl plank flooring.